Drift Enterprise iMarketing App. The pros, the cons. Drift Enterprise iMarketing App promises to accelerate lead generation and conversion using AI-driven conversational marketing, but does it live up to the hype? On the plus side, Drift enables enterprises to engage visitors through live chat, iChatbots, and targeted messaging campaigns. It can qualify leads automatically, route conversations to the right sales reps, and integrate seamlessly with CRM and marketing automation tools. Enterprises often report faster lead response times, increased engagement rates, and more efficient sales handoffs. AI-driven insights also help refine messaging and identify high-value prospects. However, there are trade-offs. Drift's advanced features come at a premium price, which may be prohibitive for large teams with heavy traffic. iChatbots can handle common questions well but may struggle with complex or context-specific queries. Whole adoption also requires training, workflow adjustments, and ongoing oversight to ensure a messaging aligns with brand voice. Most people get this wrong. They assume AI can fully replace human marketers. The surprising truth is that Drift works best when AI complements skilled teams. Without human supervision, automated conversations can feel impersonal or fail to convert. In conclusion, Drift Enterprise iMarketing App is a strong solution for enterprises aiming to streamline lead generation, engagement, and sales conversion. Its AI capabilities, automation, and integrations can save time and improve efficiency. But maximum value comes from balancing AI-driven marketing with human oversight, strategic planning, and thoughtful campaign design. Used correctly, Drift can significantly enhance marketing ROI and deliver a more personalized experience for prospects and customers alike.